Hi, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aliris and I am the owner of Janae Rose, a bath and body company that I operate out of my home, second to my full-time job. And now that we know each other and the whole background story, let's get down to business. In 2024, my business made $23,551.65 in sales. In 2023, the year before, my business made $12,024.09 in sales. I was almost able to double my revenue from 2023 to 2024. However, doubling my revenue didn't mean I was doubling my sales. Remember when I said I decided to pivot in 2024? Well, that included adding 2 new income streams. And here's the breakdown. In 2024, my business made $3,233.25 from wholesale customer sales. In 2023, my business made $0 from wholesale customer sales. And this is simply because I wasn't selling wholesale in 2023. So that's one new revenue stream from 2024. In 2024, my business made $6,413.40 from online sales. In 2023, my business only made $246 in online sales. So you can definitely see how focusing on or spending more time on online content really expanded my customer base. I wasn't just focusing on my local customers, and I love them, they're great, they're my supporters, but I was also able to reach people across the United States. In 2024, my business made $5,346 from in-person sales. And in 2023, my business made $10,570.50 from in-person sales. I nearly decreased my in-person sales by 50%. And this is largely because I only did 4 in-person market events in 2024. Remember when I said that I had done 18 in 2023 and I only decided to focus on the ones that I did well? However, I still think this is a win-win situation because going from 18 markets to 4 markets, my sales only decreased from 10,000 to 5,000. So I'm only doing 25% of the markets, but I only lost about 50% of that income, which I was actually okay with. I also receive a revenue through my Patreon, YouTube, and affiliate sales. And in 2023, I wasn't receiving any income from affiliate sales or YouTube. So those 2 streams of revenue is also new for 2024. And for 2024, my business made $8,559 from those 3 streams combined. As in 2023, my business only made $1,207.59 from those, that one income stream. I can definitely see how focusing on my online content has really helped grow my business. I can also see how diversifying my income streams helped me grow as well and reach a larger, more broad audience. I enjoy creating YouTube videos and I find it very beneficial because there's a lot less money that's involved when it comes to making your YouTube videos. I still have to pay for my camera equipment and my subscription to my editing software. However, it was a lot more expensive paying for the in-person events, and it also took up a lot more time getting ready, preparing for those events, and actually being there. I don't have a huge staff of like 10 people, so those events I was doing myself. I did have the support of Mason and my children. They would come help me. But in the end, I mostly did them by myself because I signed up for this business and I felt like it's my responsibility to show up. I'm glad I was able to do a video like this because I get a lot of questions from people who want to start their own bath and body business or candle making, or I get a lot of questions from people who want to grow and they kind of want to know what growing pains I went through. I will, however, disclaim that the revenue mentioned in this video is not my take-home pay. These numbers do not include the expenses that it takes to run and operate my video. And these expenses come in the form of supplies, materials, ingredients, video recording equipment, tent table equipment, taxes, all of that comes into play. So when you take out those expenses, it really doesn't amount to be a lot of money. My plan for 2025 is to continue on this business plan. And I'm hoping that I can still continue to grow my business with customers, retail customers, wholesale customers, subscribers, Patreons, followers, viewers. The sky is basically the limit right now. I also want to drop that reminder that I only run my business part-time. I still have a full-time job. It's fortunate for me that I'm able to use my full-time job to invest into my business. I'm not at a point in my life right now where I feel comfortable quitting my full-time job and just running my business. Everybody's situation is different, but for me right now, I'm not at that place. I'm looking forward to your comments on this video and the numbers that I showed you. Were they higher than what you expected? Were they lower than what you expected? Did I encourage you to go out there and keep trying, or did I discourage anyone out there? I hope that I didn't discourage anyone. I hope that this video was just able to provide you with some sort of insight in what someone else who runs a small business is going through and some of the changes that they made. Because it's not permanent. If it's not working, you can pivot, you can change, and you can adjust. It's your business. And don't forget, if you want to start making your own soaps, butters, lotions, scrubs, shower streamers, and all that, I have a lot of my recipes posted on my Patreon, and that link to my Patreon is in that description box below. And I also want to give a huge shout out to all my Patreons. Thank you so much for your questions, your support, your communication, everything. Thank you all so much. That's going to wrap up my video for today. Happy New Year, everyone, and best of luck in your 2025 ventures, whether you want to make bath and body products for yourself or if you're thinking about starting a bath and body business. So until next time, bye guys.